This is the entry into our 1 bedroom, 1 bath, 675 square feet. When you walk into the apartment, you have a short hallway. To your left is our renovated kitchen. We have all new granite countertops, new cabinetry. You have a double sink, mounted microwave, stainless steel appliances. Our apartment offers, the renovated kitchen offers a glass backsplash in addition to your stainless steel dishwasher. You have a gooseneck sink pull. And then moving, this is our view from the kitchen. You have an open floor plan, so if you're into cooking and you want to entertain your guests, this is the perfect apartment for that. We have our hardwood-like flooring throughout the apartment. Very spacious living room. The living room is also big enough for you to do a small dining table, or you can utilize this area, this bar top, and do a couple of bar stools right there. Again, our 1 bedroom is 675 square feet. This is your entry from the inside of the apartment. Moving back to your left, you have a small hallway right here. In addition to a coat closet that is a very nice size, it has a shelf on top as well as open space throughout. Next, to your right, you have our bathroom. You have a separate space for your bathtub and toilet, and then your vanity areas right here. And in addition to a medicine cabinet, then you have your spacious bedroom with great natural lighting. And then you have our huge walk-in closet with shelving on top as well as shelving to the sides. Great space for shoes, sweaters, clothing. This is the view into the bedroom from the closet space. Again, this is our 1 bedroom, 1 bath, renovated kitchen area with a large walk-in closet.